What is DeFi? What is the difference between DeFi and CeFi? The virtual currency investment market has become more and more popular in recent years, and it is common to see cryptocurrency news. But that doesn't mean you should rashly invest in the cryptocurrency market, because this is a new market with great potential and a lot of noise. This article analyzes the difference between DeFi and CeFi to make it easier for you to understand the blockchain. What is centralized and what is decentralized? 1. What is centralized? Centralization means that the center determines the node. Nodes must depend on the center, and nodes cannot survive without the center. For example, we can only acquire knowledge by going to schools, such as primary schools, middle schools, universities, etc., where students are individuals. Schools are the center, and everyone revolves around the center of the school, which is centralization. 2. What is decentralized? Decentralization, as opposed to the concept of centralization. In the decentralized system network, every participant has an equal and free relationship, and no one depends on anyone. In the decentralized system, anyone is a node, and anyone can be a center. Any center is not permanent, but phased, and no center is mandatory for nodes. Decentralization is like a gathering of friends. Everyone is free and equal and can speak freely. You can choose not to speak, or you can choose to leave the venue in the middle. The departure of any one person will not affect the progress of the party. And centralization is like a leader meeting. Everything depends on the leader's instructions and arrangements at the meeting. Once the leader leaves the meeting in the middle of the meeting will be dissolved at once. DeFi refers to traditional centralized financial services. Is build financial products on a public, decentralized blockchain network, through agreements like smart contracts. DeFi can develop different banking, insurance, securities trading. In simple terms, DeFi is a financial service system written on the blockchain. Buyers, sellers, and even lenders and borrowers on this system can conduct peer-to-peer financial activities that are not regulated by the center. Financial services are a very special kind of service, and it requires a lot of trust. In the past, financial services were mostly achieved through large institutions with huge capital, as well as strict government supervision and regulatory restrictions. It is worthy of trust. But with the emergence of blockchain technology, there is the possibility of establishing trust on the blockchain mechanism. DeFi is a concept of decentralization of financial services. It does not necessarily only refer to the application of blockchain in financial services. It just happens that blockchain technology can be decentralized and maintain sufficient trust. 3. What are the benefits of a decentralized? The decentralized system architecture does not require a center, but the nodes freely choose and decide the center. In the decentralized system architecture, everyone is equal, everyone is the center, and everyone can back up each other. Even if one center disappears, others will not be affected and can continue to function. So the entire system is highly reliable. 4. The future of DeFi. As mentioned earlier, decentralization can exempt the market from monopoly. And even if the company goes bankrupt, it will not affect the rights and interests of others. As long as one person is there, it records everything so others can quickly resume work. Used in finance, as long as one person is still around, it can record all transactions. even if accounts all over the world are hacked. Therefore, more and more companies will invest in the world of DeFi. DeFi is built on a combination of open-source technology, blockchain and proprietary protocols. This enables both parties to a financial transaction to conduct transactions in the form of smart contracts, without any intermediary third party to recognize and supervise the transaction. Of course, there will not be any intermediary fees charged, or there is a chance that the fees will be lower than in the traditional case. Therefore, compared with a 1%-3% remuneration for bank fixed deposits, DeFi financial products have at least 50% remuneration, and offers higher returns. In addition to a variety of financial products, there are also virtual currencies that can be invested in, basically with a return of more than 70% to 90%. And the interest is calculated every hour, so you can see your money increase every hour. Like I bought $100 on December 24th last year, and now it has increased by $7 after a month. Annualized rate of return is about 85%. Do you think the interest rate is high? There are other higher targets here. As a limited edition, you must seize the opportunity to get it.